Hello, and today we will draw the Native American legend Crazy Horse. He was a Lakota Sioux leader known for his courage and commitment to protecting his people's land and the way of life against the United States government. So we are just going to draw his face. So let's make a slanted line like this. And then we are going to make a line like this for the bottom of his face. And then we are going to make a line going out like this to match this side. All right, let's make a diagonal line like this around at the halfway point of his face. And let's do the other side as well. We're going to have these two lines meet. And then we are going to make a curved line by going out like this and then coming down to the side of his face. This is his hair. And we are going to do the other side. We're going to come out and then come down to the side like this. All right, we are going to make two vertical lines like this. And then do two lines on the other like this. All right, let's make two rainbow shapes like this, or two rainbow lines. And let's make a dot underneath each rainbow line for the eyes. Let's make his eyebrows by making two rainbow shapes, one above each eye. And let's give him a U-shaped nose like this. And let's make a horizontal line like this. And let's make a U shape underneath the horizontal line. And let's make a curved line here on one side here and one on the other side. And at any time, if you forgot a step, you can pause the video. All right, let's give Crazy Horse a feather. And so we are going to draw the feather behind his head. So we're going to make a curved line going out like this, and then come down like this. And then we are going to make a line in the middle like this. Let's give the feather a pattern. So we are going to make a diagonal line like this, and then come up like that. Another one like this, and then come up like this to the edge of the feather. One more, as if the feather pattern is still showing, but it's blocked by his head. And then use that imaginary invisible line to come back up like this. And so we are done drawing Crazy Horse. As you can see, the colors that I used on my left side. I hope you had fun coloring Crazy Horse, and please like and subscribe for more videos like this.